Yes. Today exercise 7.4 question number 4. Have you completed or not?
Yes.
Remaining student, have you completed or not?
Yes.
All the students have completed this question number 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 7 is exercise 7.4. Question number 7.
Answer rest question number 5 and 6 we don't have to do.
Rest question number 5 and 6 depends on area of triangles. And that is reduced by CBSE this year. Okay. Let A 4 and 2, B 6 and 5, and C 1 4 be the vertices of a triangle. First of all, draw a triangle ABC. Now ABC be the triangle. A B C is the triangle. Yes, Pragati. What happens?
No, sir. Sir,
Wait. Yes. Vertices of triangle A is 4 2
and then
4 2. Vertices of B are 6 5, and vertices of C are 1 4. Yes. The median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinate of point D. Find the coordinate of point D. Student, listen to me. What is median or what is altitude? Pragati, listen to me. Bit of silence. This is a triangle. This is a triangle ABC. And from A, I am drawn a median. From A is the vertex. From A, I am drawing the median. A median which bisect the opposite side. Bisect. It means BC is the midpoint, that is D. D is the midpoint. So AD is the median of triangle ABC. AD is the median of triangle ABC. Okay, and D is the midpoint of BC. Any doubt? Yeah. If I am if I am drawing median such as from B, that is the median A B C D E, and E will be the midpoint. E will be the midpoint. E will be the midpoint. And similarly, I will draw the median from C. This point will be the centroid of the triangles. Centroid of the triangles. CM. The point at which median intersect at that point, that is called centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. Okay. Any doubt? Any problems? Okay. Now what is altitude? This is the triangle ABC, and altitude always forms a right angle, that is AD. And D is the not midpoint of BC. But in median bisect the opposite side. Bisect the opposite side. And in altitude it will form always a right angle. It is your altitude. Okay.
Yes, sir.
May I proceed this question? Yes. May I proceed this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 7. This is the triangle. A, B, and C. Coordinate of A. Pragati.
Yes, sir. 4,2.
Yes. Coordinate of B.
Sir, 6,5.
And coordinate of C.
Sir, it is 1,4.
1, 4. Yes. Now your first part is the median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinate of point D. Median from A meet BC at D. Find the coordinate of point D. Okay. First part. AD is the median. AD is the median of triangle ABC. Of triangle ABC. So D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC. If D is the midpoint, coordinate of point D are X. Coordinates of point D are X. If D is the midpoint of BC, now we apply the midpoint formula. D, that is your x1 plus x2, 6 plus 1 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, 5 plus 4 divided by 2. So the coordinate of point D is 7 by 2, 9 by 2. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes, coordinate of point D 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. Abhigyan, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Why D is the midpoint of BC? Respond me immediately. Yes or no? आपको आता यस कहिए, नहीं आता नो कहिए. Why are waiting?
No, sir.
Shreyas, why D is the midpoint of BC?
Content A is the AD contact triangle ABC
Yes.
and D between BC. That is contact the side BC into equal half.
Divyanshu Ranjan,
Yes, sir.
why D is the midpoint of BC?
Sir, because AD is in median of triangle ABC.
Yes, very good. Divyanshu Ranjan, where are you at this time?
Sir, in triangle.
The median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinate of point D. Have you done? Now second is find the coordinate of point P on AD such that AP ratio PD is 2:1. You have to find out the coordinate of point P. Find the coordinate of point P on AD such that is your P. You have to find out the coordinate of point P on AD such that AP ratio PD, that is 2:1. That is 2:1. Now we have to find out the coordinate of point P. It is your 2. It is your 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How can you find out the coordinate of point P?
So by using section formula.
Section formula. Yes. Section formula. One go this side, one will go this side, and two will come this side. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Point P. Second point P divides a line segment. Point P divides a line segment AD. Line segment AD. Internally is the ratio of in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, the coordinate of point P. The coordinates of point D. The coordinate of point P are x. Now we will apply the section formula, that is P 2 into 7/2. 2 into 7/2. Okay? And 1 into 4.
9/2.
4. That is 2 plus 1. And your 2 into 9/2 plus 1 into 2. That is 2 plus 1. Any doubt, any problems? You have solved so many type of question on depends on section formula. Any doubt, any problems? Okay. Now the coordinate of P, that is cancel out, it becomes 11/3. And it is also cancel out, it becomes 11/3. The coordinate of point P are 11/3 and 11/3. Any doubt, any problems? Do it fast.
Well done.
Have you any doubt, any problem, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Third part. Have you done?
Yes.
May I raise it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Continue this question. Question number 7. This is the triangle ABC. A, B, C. Coordinate of A, coordinate of B, coordinate of C. That is your D point. Please tell me.
That is coordinate 4,2.
4,2.
P is 6,5. And P is 1,4.
Yes. Coordinate of D, that is 7/2, 9/2, and coordinate of P, that is your 11/3 and 11/3. Yes. Third part. In third part, find the coordinate of point Q and R on median BE. First of all, draw the median BE. E is the midpoint. BE.
आंसर अगर हम इधर इस ट्रायंगल की बात करें तो सेंट्रॉइड P है ना?
Yeah. Center of the triangle will be P. Find the coordinate of point Q. Q will be there. Where Q will also be there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And R. CF is also the median. CF. That is F. And that is PQR. R is also there. PQ and R are the same point. But P is point on median AD. Q is point on median BE. And R is point on median CF. Yes. Yes. What happens? Yes. Yes, Swasti. Yes. Yes, Swasti. What? Your voice is not clear. Yes.
Sir, she's saying that he's neutral.
Neutral.
There's a neutron button there with these.
You on. Yes. Any problems? Okay. Yes. What is the doubt?
Sir, if the point P, Q and R are the same, so they are having the same coordinates. So
Same coordinates. Yes. After solving, we find. Yes, Pragati, listen to me. After solving, we find out the coordinate of point will be 11/3 and 11/3. Coordinate of point Q will also come 11/3 and 11/3. And coordinate of point R will also come 11/3, 11/3. After solving, first we will solve it, and after that we will conclude it. Okay? Yes. Try to solve it now. E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. Am I right or wrong?
yes,
Yes. PE is the median. Same as it is. We have drawn a second part. Same as it is. BE is the median of triangle ABC. So E is the midpoint. So E is the midpoint of AC. So E is the midpoint of AC. So the coordinate of point E. The coordinates. The coordinates of point E are as. The coordinate of point E are as E. E, that is your x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, 4 plus 1 divided by 2, 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Yes, because E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. What is your midpoint formula? Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 4 plus 1 divided by 2 and 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. Reason. You can write reason, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now the coordinate of point E are 5 by 2 and 6 by 2, that is 3. That is 5 by 2 and 3. And 3. Any doubt, any problems? Now point Q divides the line, divides the median BE in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1. 2:1. 2 comes this side and 1 comes this side. Okay.
Yes, sir, it would be 1:2. Now, then why we are taking 2:1?
Pragati, 2:1. Listen. From vertices side there will be 2, and from midpoint side there will be ratio 1. 2:1.
Yes, sir, now
2:1. Your AP ratio was 2 and your PD ratio was 1, and here the BQ ratio 2 and the QE ratio 1. It is written in the book. So BQ ratio QE is 2:1 is given. Given or not?
given, sir.
Yes. Now apply the section formula and find out the coordinate of point Q. The coordinate of point Q. The coordinates of point Q. Q are as. Yes. Apply the section formula and find out the coordinate of point Q. Do it fast. Two into 5 by 2. Very good.
That's 1 into 6.
Plus 1 into 6. 2 plus
About
1. Next is your 2 into
2 into 3.
3.
3.
Yes. Next is 1 into
5 upon 2 plus
5 by 2. Okay. 2 plus 1. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. That is 1 into 5. 2 is just 5, not 5 by 2. That is the bottom line of 6, 5.
Okay, I can understand.
And now it will be
Solve it. 2 1 are 2. 5 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. Yes, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. Similarly, what will you do? The coordinate of point Q is also 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. Now, coordinate of point R. You have to find out the coordinate of point R. To find the coordinate of point R, first of all, CF is the median of triangle ABC. So M is the midpoint of AB. Am I right or wrong?
AB.
Yes? Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast. CF is the median of triangle ABC. So F is the midpoint of AB.
AB.
Yeah, the coordinates of point FRS. The coordinate of point FRS. Yes. What will be the coordinates? 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 divided by 2. Yes, next. 5 plus 2 divided by 2. 5 plus 2. Yes, the coordinate will be 5 and 9 by 2. 5 and 7 by 2. 5, 7 by 2. Any doubt, any problems? Yes. 5, 7 by 2. Let's do it fast. Scroll down. Yes, do it fast. Done? Yes. Now the coordinate of point are such as. That is 1 4. The coordinate of point P, Q, R. The coordinate of point and the ratio of CR and CF. CR and CF will be 2:1. That is 2 and that is 1. 2 will go this side and 1 will go this side. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
The coordinates of point are RS. Yes. 2 into 5. 2 into 5. 1 into 1. Hmm? नहीं वही काम करें हम हाँ ठीक ओके yes now 2 plus 1 next is your 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4 2 plus 1 that is cancel out 2 1s are 2 2 1s are 2 that is 10 plus 1 the coordinate of point are 11 by 3 and 11 by 3 yes you are finding that the coordinate of point P 11 by 3 11 by 3 coordinate of point Q 11 by 3 11 by 3 and the coordinate of point R 11 by 3 and 11 by 3 this is the common point of all the median and point have the same coordinates. So this point is called centroid of the triangles. Centroid of the triangles. What do you observe? The point which it common to all three medians is called centroid, and this point divide each median in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1. Okay. What do you observe? Fourth part answer is given in the book. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now your fifth part is fifth part. Do yourself. Okay, fifth part. On question number 7. Okay. There is a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. ABC coordinate x1, y1. That is B, x2, y2, and C, x3 and y3. ठीक है? Find the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle. As you know that what is centroid of a triangle? Is the median D. This is the D, and this
Sir,
point
your
will be P.
voice is very low.
And this point will be P. And this is also the median A, B, C, D, E. E. That point will be Q. And this is the median, that is C, F. That point will be R. As you know that AP ratio PD will be 2:1. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
AP ratio PD will be 2:1. You have already discussed in the previous parts. And the D is the midpoint of BC. Why? Because AD is the median of triangle ABC. So the coordinate of point B are as x2 plus x3 divided by 2. Now y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Why? AD is the median. AD is the median. AD is the median of triangle ABC. So D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC. So coordinates of point P we can already find out. That is x2 plus x3 divided by 2, y2 plus y3 divided by 2. And the ratio AP ratio PD that is 2:1 is given. अगर गिवन नहीं है तब भी आप इसको कंसीडर कर सकते हैं, 2:1 ही आएगा. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Now the coordinate of point P. The coordinates of point P are as your two will go this side and one will go this side. Okay. 2 into Swasti, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus 1 into x1, that is 2 plus 1. Your next will be 2 into y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus 1 into y1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, plus 1 into y1. Yes, plus 1 into y1. Plus 1 into y1 divided by divided by 2 plus 1.
2 plus 1.
Yes. Now the coordinate of point P cancel out. So it becomes x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. And it becomes now 2 1 the 2 cancel out. It becomes y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Sorry, 3. Any doubt, any problems?
Now, sir.
Yes. Yes, listen to me. This is the formula to find out the centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. If the vertices of triangle is given, you can find out the direct centroid of the triangle by using this formula. That is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You can use if vertices of triangle such as vertices of triangle is given, coordinate of A will be given, coordinate of B will be given, coordinate of C will be given. You can find out the value of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, and now you can find the coordinates of the given triangle. You can find out the centroid of the triangles. Okay. Now,
So the form we are applied is like if you have